How to add TXT record in Hostinger. To add a TXT record in Hostinger, start by logging into your Hostinger account and accessing the dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites section and click on Dashboard next to the domain where you want to add the TXT record. In the Domain Management interface, scroll down and look for the Advanced option in the left sidebar and click on it to reveal more options. From there, select DNS Zone Editor to access the DNS Management page. On the DNS Zone Editor page, you'll see a list of existing DNS records for your domain. To add a new TXT record, click on Type under Manage DNS Records section. From the drop-down menu, select TXT as the record type. In the name field, enter @ if you're adding the TXT record for the root domain, or enter a specific subdomain if needed. In the TXT value field, paste the TXT record value provided by the service you're verifying your domain with, such as Google Analytics or Search Console. For the TTL, time to live setting, you can usually leave it at the default value unless specified otherwise. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Add Record button to create the new TXT record. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take up to 24 hours to fully propagate across the Internet. If you're using the TXT record for domain verification, you may need to wait a few minutes before attempting to verify your domain with the service provider. If you encounter any issues or need to modify the TXT record later, you can return to the DNS Zone Editor to edit or delete existing records as needed.